Hi there, beautiful people. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today's show and tell is going to be on Outré's EveryWear lace front wig in the style Every8 in the color DRFF 22730. So if you want to see this, please keep watching. Beautiful people, so this is Outré's EveryWear lace front wig in the style Every8 in the color DRFF 22730. So guys, this unit, you know, I really like this unit. I cannot lie. The first EveryWear wig I got, I didn't care for it too. I mean, it was nice, but I like this one a lot better, I'll say that. The lace, the wig sits back a little bit far on my head because I have a low hairline. So if you have a lower hairline like me, try to push all your baby hairs back or kind of incorporate them, because the wig is going to sit a little bit back on your head. For big head friendly girls, this wig is a little snug on me, so it might not work well for you. But you may want to try it because it really is a pretty unit. Like, guys, like, first of all, the color. Yes, Outré. Bam, out the park. The highlights in the front. The beautiful color in the back. How it just blends in with the dark roots. Love it. I like the style. It's not too long. It's like just past my shoulders. And it has a nice loose wavy curl. No shedding. No tangling. Like, this really is a throw on everyday wig. And I think the other one was a throw on everyday wig too. But I think that this one, I worked a little bit better with it. And even the baby hairs. And you know I'm not a baby hair girl, however, or a middle part girl. But this is not as fluffy as the Antonella unit that I just reviewed. And it just sits really well. Let me give you a 360 on how it's looking. This is the top. This is the sides. The right side. This is the left side. This is the back. And so, you know, I think I could have put a little bit more makeup in the parting space, but it really doesn't look too bad. I mean, I really like this unit. I don't have any, besides it sits back a little far on my head, but I still was able to glue it down, you know, and it sits on your head, so nobody will really be able to see that. You know, I really like this unit. I like the color. I like the way it looks. I like the style. I don't have anything bad to say about this. It's absolutely worth the money. It's absolutely an everyday wig. And you can wear it everywhere. It's just really pretty. Like, seriously. So, if you guys want the information to this Outré EveryWear lace front wig in the style Every8, I will have her linked in the description box. Again, this is the color DRFF2 2730. And like I always say, guys, like, subscribe, share, join the family. We're friendly here. We're not so friendly, but we're friendly. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.